Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to set a password on the lock screen of your Galaxy A17. First you will go into the settings icon and scroll down to the display option. Alright, here we'll enter this option. Now you'll click on this other option and choose the type of password you want for your phone. PIN lets you use only numbers, password lets you use numbers and letters, and I will be choosing the pattern password. Here, you will choose your password. If you make a mistake, click here and you can repeat your password. If it's correct, you'll click on Continue, repeat your password correctly, and then click the Confirm button. After doing this, you'll click on this option. We can lock the phone, and to unlock it, just swipe your finger on the screen, enter the password you set up, and the phone will unlock. So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I helped, don't forget to like, leave your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.